Hey guys, Jake with Black Ops. Today we're going to be teaching you how to install the rear shock bracket on your CanAm X3. Let's get started.
To begin your install, start by removing the two T30 Torx screws from the C-pillar cover. If you have any accessories attached to the cage, move them out of the way now. Using a 16mm socket and an 18mm wrench, remove the rear inner cage bolt. Loosen the upper shock bolt using an 18mm wrench and an 18mm socket. Jack up the vehicle until the tires are off the ground or until pressure is relieved from the shock bolt. With pressure relieved from the shock bolt, you can now remove it. Now, reinstall the C-pillar cover so you can clearance it for the new Black Ops shock bracket. Using an oscillating saw, remove enough material for clearance over the Black Ops shock bracket. Using a die grinder or a Dremel, clean up the edges. Now you can remove the C-pillar cover. Using a hand torch, carefully heat the edges and melt them to make them smooth. Now you can place your Black Ops machine's shock bracket into place. Slide the shock bolt through the backside of the shock bracket. Now place the nut on the bolt and tighten. Using the supplied hardware, install the two shock bracket bolts into the cage and C-pillar. Now you can finally install the C-pillar cover. Repeat these steps on the passenger side. Lower the car and remove the jack, and your install is complete.
We hope this video helped you successfully install your rear shock bracket on your CanAm X3. For more products or any questions, please visit us over at blackopsmachine.com.